अस्सलामुअलैकुम। हमारा टॉपिक है सेल्स फोर्स मैनेजमेंट। 6 बेसिक स्टेप और डिसीजन आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू द सेल्स मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस। दीज आर डिज़ाइनिंग सेल्स फोर्स स्ट्रेटजी एंड स्ट्रक्चर, selecting sales people, training sales people, compensating sales people, supervising sales people, evaluating sales people. Sales force management, major step in sales force management. The rule of the sales force. Advertising consists of one-way, non-personal communication with target consumer group. Personal selling involves two-way personal communication between salespeople and individual consumer. Personal selling can be more effective than advertising in more complex selling situation. The rule of personal selling varies from company to company. Some firms have no salespeople at all. The sales force services as a critical link between a company and its customer. The salesperson and can represent both buyer and seller, then represent company to the customer and customer to the company. Salespeople are becoming more market focused and customer oriented. The old views was that salespeople should be concerned with sales and the company should be concerned with profit. The new view is that salespeople should be concerned with more than just producing sales. They must know how to achieve customer satisfaction and company profit. The personal selling process. The selling process consists of several steps that the salesperson must master. These steps focus on the goal of getting new customer and obtaining order from them. Most salespeople spend much of their time maintaining existing accounts and building long-term customer relationship. These steps are prospecting and qualifying. Second है qualifying lead is the process of identifying good ones and screening out poor ones. Prospect can be qualified by financial ability, volume of business, special needs, location, possibility for growth. The personal selling process. Set all objective, consider timing, have a sales strategy. During the approach step, the salesperson should know how to meet the buyer, make him satisfied, and get the relationship off to a good start. The presentation and demonstration is the step in which the salesperson tells the product story to the buyer, showing how his product will make or save money for the buyer. A need dissatisfaction approaches where the salesperson investigates the buyer need and then matches the product to those need is advised. Handling objection is the step in. Ask for the order, review point of agreement, offer to help in writing the order, ask whether the buyer wants this model or that one. Note that the buyer will lose out if the order is not placed now. The follow up occur after the sale and ensure customer satisfaction. The personal selling process. Sales force management is the analysis, planning, implementation, and control of sales force activity. Include designing sales force strategy, structure, selecting, training, compensating, supervising, evaluating the firm sales people. Managing the sales force. Designing sales force strategy. Marketing manager for several sales force strategy and design. Question. It defines the salesperson job. The person get credited for what the accomplishment person work in a territory. Increase the salesperson desire to build local business. Traveling expenses are low because of reduced territorial size. Thank you so much.